Just under an hour away from sunrise, and well, once it rises, you will see a very different landscape out there than the past several days. Your New Year's holiday weekend, and then frigid polar air moving in next week, and we're still looking at the chance for some snow. And by Tuesday, 8 a.m.,
in the evening, we are looking at the possibility of some thunderstorms in the area, but I'll get to those here in a bit. Otherwise, gorgeous today, and it's going to be mild this evening as well. 68 degrees by bedtime, a few high clouds still around. By breakfast time, 64. That's a pretty warm start to the day.
And we have wind chills in the low and mid-20s for pretty much the entire Channel 8 coverage area. Temperature is pretty much uniform, 31, 32 degrees. That's good news. If it was much colder, let's say 25 and colder, this could be disastrous with all the ice freezing up Friday. So this is a dangerous ice storm, folks, for everybody involved. Now, we had a glaze earlier this week, and you saw what happened. Travel not advised. There were several car accidents, over 30 car accidents here in Lincoln alone. Thankfully, no one injured, but it looks like we will be in this zone between 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. That's disruptive, especially for major metropolitan areas. There could be minor tree damage, damage to power lines, maybe even power outages. That's certainly something you need to be ready for. And travel nearly impossible. I'm not talking about just driving, even walking, sidewalks, parking lots, overpasses, those now dry across the state, nothing on radar. But as we go back to the Pacific Northwest, I want you to keep your eyes on this, because this is a trough that's making its way onto the west coast right now. This will impact the area starting Wednesday all the way into the weekend, and we could see some serious rainfall amounts. Lincoln by the lunch hour, then those showers move through, becoming a little more widespread during the afternoon and early evening hours, but it looks like for much of the nighttime hours, the rain will be out of here. However, then continuing to move southeastward through tomorrow morning. You can see it's pretty much wrapping up by tomorrow morning's commute, but still our model keeping a lot of that snow to the north of us. So cloudy at that time, north winds about 10 miles per hour. Then the very cold air will settle in with highs only in the upper 20s for tomorrow. But now you can see we have some scattered shower and thunderstorm activity in the Nebraska Panhandle along that warm front, an area of low pressure. There's an impulse moving out of the Rockies, and you can see these scattered showers are moving east. Now, at the surface, it's actually pretty dry, so a lot of this might not be making it to the ground. But we'll keep an eye on it. 39, though, today, like I said, we already reached our high, so temperatures will try to rebound, but it will struggle with those northwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour, letting up a little bit just around sunset, and then they'll be north at 10 to 15 by 9 with a temperature of 27. Very slight chance of snow showers, better chance north of I-80, just frigid temperatures making their way into the region. We drop to 23 for Wednesday morning, 29 for the high tomorrow, 20% chance for that snow tonight and tomorrow morning, then 36 Thursday. Strong south winds, though, will boost highs into the upper 50s and possibly even low 60s for Friday. 50s, mid-50s on Saturday, slight chance of rain, 45 Sunday. And then look at next week, mainly low 50s and upper 40s, and Valentine's Day not looking bad. 52 for the high with mostly sunny skies. That's the check of your forecast. Have a good Tuesday.
That is rather significant rotation. We have to assume there's a tornado on the ground right now, as we do not have confirmation from eyes on the ground, but this is a very good radar signature, very classic hook echo. It doesn't get much better than that, folks, and that's why you need to be taking cover.
Well, as we keep moving east, the low-level jet should be increasing throughout the night, which would increase the tornado potential of this storm. So we're just going to stay with it